Hello guys, so today we're going to use this broomstick from Dollar Tree. We're just going to take that part out because we're not going to knit it. Then after you take it out, we're going to stay with the stick like that. And then after that, I'm going to use this little, it's like a cup. It comes with a straw on top. I'm going to take the top out because we're going to use the bottom. So I'm going to take some floral foam, put some hot glue in it, and then I'm going to just hold it with a scissor like that just to push it down. Leave it there, hold it a little bit until it attaches into place, and then put a few of them inside. Then after that, I'm going to take the stick, put some hot glue around it. Make sure to put enough hot glue to attach it good. And then just go ahead and place it inside through the floral foam. It's not going to hold it all complete, but that's okay. So after you do that, you're going to take some rocks and you're going to go ahead and fill it up. You're going to fill out the whole thing inside with rocks or whatever you have that is heavy until you fill it up like that, until you hold it with rocks inside so it could be steady like that. Then after that, this is the top. But the top, it didn't have, the gap wasn't big enough. So I'm just going to go ahead with a scissor and just open a little bit bigger until I open the whole thing like that. Then after I open the whole thing, I'm just go ahead and place it inside and just put it through it like that and then attach it to the bottom. Then I'm going to take the top of another bottle and I'm going to attach it to these little tray that they have in Dollar Tree like that. And then I'm going to take some floral foam and then just place it through it to grab the floral foam. Then just take it out and you see it's going to give you the line of a circle. Just go ahead and take the extra pieces out like that. Then after that, I'm going to grab my hot glue and make sure to put enough hot glue on all these projects. You have to make sure to put enough hot glue. And then just go ahead and place it inside, attach it like that until it holds into place. Then after that, I'm going to put some hot glue on the top and then I'm just going to place the stick inside the floral foam like that. Just go ahead and place it down. In here, it's not going to hold perfectly. Put it upside down, put more hot glue and take more floral foam and attach it like this. This is going to be the key so it can hold into place. You got to do it all the way around it like that. Make sure it dries up and then it could be steady. Then just once you flip it around, it is steady. Make sure this is the key for them not to fall apart. To put a lot of floral foam. Then I went ahead and put a little spider in there just to cover it up. And then you're just going to go ahead and place your candy inside. I have candy, so I put chocolate. And this is how cute and simple it turns out. This is going to be for outside. So when the kids come do the trick-or-treating like that. And I think it came out super cute and it's so easy. Now for the next idea, I'm going to grab one of these solar light. And I'm not going to use the bottom part of the top one, just this part over here. I'm going to take some floral foam. Make sure to use the heart one. And then I'm going to put some hot glue inside like that. Just make sure to place it at the bottom and then put floral, take a little piece of the floral foam and place it inside like that. And then you're just going to put more hot glue and then take another piece of the floral foam and place it inside like that and let it dry. Then after that, we're going to take the stick that we used before and put some hot glue at the bottom like that and around it, and then just go ahead and place it inside like that until it goes all the way through it like that. You can see it's a little bit crooked, so I'm going to put more hot glue and I'm going to take more floral foam around it and just place it around it until it stays into place, and this will hold it into place. You will not have a problem. Then I'm going to take this clear bowl from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use a round floral foam and I'm going to attach it to the top. Then take the part, put some hot glue around it, and then just gonna go ahead and place it inside like that until you put the whole thing all the way down. In here, if you leave it as that, it's not gonna hold into place. So you have to take your hot glue now and you're gonna place some hot glue, and we're going to do the same thing. Take some floral foam and then just place it around like that until you attach the whole thing. Like I'm saying, this is gonna hold it down. So you have to do it all the way through it so it can stay into place like that. Then once you have your little thing done, I'm just gonna place it inside here. For now, I'm going to put some light like that. You can attach the light or leave it like that. They have this in Dollar Tree, this little ghost, little blanket. I'm going to take this stuff out because we're not going to use it. And then after that, we're just going to go ahead and place it inside on top of it like that. They can just fix it. And so you could put, so the face could be like in the front. And then you could also like hot glue it on that side like that, just to make it rounded like that, and then just hot glue the other side. And then just go ahead and place the candy. I didn't have candy, so I'm just going to put this chocolate inside. But this one, you can use any bottle, fill it up with water. That's what I did. And then put the stick inside. And this is how you can place it inside so it won't fall apart. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. It's so simple and easy, and I think it looks great. And it's easy for the kids to pick up their candy. And now this is how it looks outside, which I think it looks great. And it's super cute and easy to do. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you like this DIY video.